Thanks everyone for attending the Rugby Long Lunch hosted by the Sydney Breast Cancer Foundation. The Sydney Breast Cancer Foundation are a very important organisation. They supported my training to learn oncoplastic surgery and to learn how to use complex techniques to do reconstruction for patients that are having mastectomy. Now, as a consequence of that, I've been able to provide a service to the community in Sydney, but also Southwest Sydney, where I am right now. And I think that's translate to something that's really valuable.
Hello, I'm Yasmina. I'm the current Breast Surg and Fellow at the Chris O'Brien Lifehouse, and this is currently my second year. I'm originally from Melbourne. I've moved to Sydney at the start of this year in February to gain some extra set of skills, particularly in the oncoplastic area, which I wouldn't have had otherwise unless I've had the opportunity to attend my fellowship at the Chris O'Brien Lifehouse. And it's been a fantastic opportunity. I've had a lot of experience with oncoplastic level 1 and 2 techniques, but also I've had interest and input from colleagues in the department about how to best improve my surgical skills, provide the best possible patient care as well. So that's been absolutely invaluable, and I love being here.
Hello to everyone there today at the Sydney Breast Cancer Foundation Rugby Long Lunch. My name is Marie Kekef. I was one of the very lucky breast fellows at Chris O'Brien Lifehouse in 2023. It was one of the best years of my training. I got to learn from Associate Professor Cindy Mack, Associate Professor Sanjay Warrior and Dr. Susanna Graham, and I left this fellowship with so many new skills and abilities that I didn't have before beginning this year, and it's thanks to the funding from Sydney Breast Cancer Foundation and all of you at this lunch that makes this possible. So open your hearts and open your wallets today so you can help fund more fellows like myself who are able to give back to these breast cancer patients.
Hi, I'm Nesh. I had the incredible opportunity to serve as the Lifehouse Breast Surgery Fellow in both 2020 and 2021. Today I'm proud to be a breast surgeon at Hawkesbury Hospital in Sydney's northwest. The fellowship provided me with the specialised training I needed to perform oncoplastic breast surgical procedures and breast reconstruction, techniques that weren't previously available at my hospital. The patients in my region now have access to advanced cutting-edge breast surgical techniques right in their local community, eliminating the need for them to travel for treatment. I'm forever grateful to the mentors who generously shared their time and knowledge with me. Their guidance was invaluable in shaping my skills and approach to patient care, and that experience wouldn't have been possible without the Sydney Breast Cancer Foundation support. In the nearly 2 years since my appointment, I've had the privilege of performing over 100 breast cancer operations, and I'm deeply thankful for the support of the Sydney Breast Cancer Foundation and the opportunity they provided through the fellowship. Your donations make a real difference in the lives of patients, and I really thank you for considering this vital cause.
Hi, my name's Ananya Chakrabarti. I was Chris O'Brien Fellow in 2019. Thank you to Sydney Breast Cancer Foundation for funding this fellowship, that it's given me all the skills that I require to practice and help many women that I've treated over the last 4-5 years. It's been a great privilege to learn from expert breast surgeons, and now I have the opportunity to train other breast surgeons that come on my breast unit, increasing the quality and delivery of care to all patients. Without your funding, we could not do this. Thank you from me and my patients and the other patients. We will be able to change their lives.
Hi, my name's Susan Hawes. I'm a breast and general surgeon on the Gold Coast. I was also one of the fellows last year at Chris O'Brien Hospital. I had an amazing experience and worked with a great team of surgeons. I've learned a lot of new skills, and I was exposed to a lot of new technologies that I'm able to use on my own patients on the Gold Coast. And I would encourage people to help support the fellowship, because it allows good training and new techniques to be introduced into all different parts of Australia.